Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm here with another really cheap Temu kit. And this one is a little different from the last one that I used. So this one actually comes with monomer. It looks like it came with like a mini nail drill, so I am going to try to use that. But I would like to use everything in this product as if maybe I was a beginner nail tech, or maybe I couldn't afford expensive supplies at the moment and would like to just try something really simple. So we did this before and they came out cute. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and tune in. You guys love that video. But we are going to get right into it, and I'm first going to show you guys everything that's in the package, including the nail drill and the acrylic powder, just everything that's in here. And then we are going to try to do my nails with this cheap kit. So starting up, as you guys could see, we have a nail drill, and it actually came with a couple sanding bands, a few drill bits, and the man drill bit. So I am going to open this up really quickly. And I feel like this kind of reminds me of like the nail drill I would buy from Amazon when I was a beginner. And it's pink, so of course. So this is what it looks like. Do I have something for this? I do believe I have something to plug this into. I'm pretty positive that I do. So next up, we do have some forms. Now, me personally, I don't really use forms. I kind of suck. It actually came with some monomer that I am kind of excited to use. We're definitely going to see how the monomer goes. Next up, we have nail tips. They do come with white and clear. I am actually going to be using these nail tips. Last time I spilled them everywhere. I don't know if I ended up still using them, but this time I will be using these tips. Next up, we have some glitter. Kind of in the mood to do maybe like a raw glitter design, but I actually have no idea what I'm going to do just yet, so I'm not going to speak too soon. We also have some wooden pushers, also cuticle pushers. I believe this would be for like picking up charms and stuff. I don't think the package came with any charms, but I have a million of these. We also have a hand file. I believe this is a buffer and another hand file. These are definitely two different grits. We have a cuticle trimmer. We have a brush for designs. I like to call this an acrylic powder brush. I mean, not acrylic powder brush. A 3D flower brush. That's what I like to call the really pointy ones. At least that's what I use them for. We have some shaped glitter, two different shaped glitters. This one has like dolphins and stuff in it. And we have this practice finger. I always feel like these practice fingers were so like weird. We also have some cute toe separators, something for our monomer and our powder. This is to dispense alcohol, at least that's what I would use it for. A mini brush and 3 colored acrylic powder. So we have white, we have pink, and then we also have clear. We are going to jump right into this. So I actually think I would want to do something with white today. We do have white glitter as well. So I'm kind of feeling just the white. I'm going to need the white. I'm going to need the clear. And I'm going to need this glitter. So I'll probably even encapsulate some of this glitter, but I'm not going to even speak too soon. And we are going to get right into this. This right here, this beauty, is my new nail drill that my new nail lamp that I got. And we are going to be doing the peel off method. So let me oil up my hands really quickly. So for my peel base today, I just used some matte top coat. This is actually a matte top coat that's also from Temu. And I'm just going to apply a very thin layer to my natural nails. And afterwards, I'm going to allow this to cure for about 60 seconds before I go in and start to apply my nail tips. Now, I think that's one thing that the kit did not come with. I don't think it came with any nail glue, which is fine. But they do have everything else in that kit, literally everything. So I'm kind of shocked it didn't come with any glue. So I have 1 coat of base coat on here, and of course I am going to be using the clear tips. I am going to be careful when I open this. This package is very flimsy, as I learned last time. Currently, I have all of my nails glued down. I don't want to keep them this long. I actually just want to cut the number off, and we could just go from there. Well, they did give us an 80 grit file and a 100 grit file, so I am gonna start to shape this. Now these aren't the nail tips I normally use, but I still want to try to get that exact look. So I am about to go in with another layer of this base coat. I'm actually gonna go in with 2 more layers. So I have my matte top coat on now. I don't think I let the second layer cure enough. So I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of wrinkled. It kind of looks like that ice design everybody's been doing this winter. But I'm still going to be able to use the matte top coat. I just didn't fully cure it, which is okay. When I go to peel these off later, it'll probably just come off a little easier than expected. So I decided that today I am going to be using my acrylic brush instead of any brush that they packed. So last time I did try to, but I got a couple comments saying to just use the regular brush. So that's what I'm gonna do. Super cute. So I'm probably gonna encapsulate this glitter. I think I wanna do that first on the pointer finger. That looks good. That looks really good. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping the acrylic powder with my brush into the acrylic powder, and then I'm after dipping it into the glitter so that the glitter is basically on the base of the nail. I've always felt like white acrylic powder was very tricky to use. Hopefully that's not the case with this powder. Because so far I really did like the consistency of the clear powder, but I feel like no matter the brand, white sometimes could still be just kind of chalky or just difficult to use. So I know this look a little crazy right now. Oh, these actually are pretty. But when I encapsulate this nail, I promise it's not gonna look this crazy. I'm trying to decide. I think I want to do another all white nail on my pinky. Alright guys, so I plugged up the nail drill and I'm just gonna use the sanding band, instead of actually using like my carbon bit. I'm gonna use the most coarse one, so it looks like it's this one. So normally with these cheaper nail drills, they kind of shake a lot, so I'm kind of wondering if this is gonna be the case with this one. It doesn't feel like it's vibrating too much, but nah, this actually is not bad. But let me, okay, and it goes up to pretty high speed. So I think I actually want to use my hand file to do this. The drill was cool. It didn't shake too much, but I personally really don't like, I'm just not used to such a shaky drill. Like I said, the cheaper ones kind of shake just a little bit, but I don't mind using my hand file like I did before. The drill is cool, it's beginner friendly, but I'm not using it today. So this is how they currently look after I went ahead and buffed them and washed my hands. Now I did want to go over this nail with some of the raw glitter, and I'm actually going to use my top coat to apply the glitter. So let's do it. So once again, I'm going to be using this top coat from Temu. And I'm going to top coat all my nails, but right now I actually want to put a thick layer of top coat on this nail and dump some glitter on top. So I have the glitter on there, but I kind of want to make sure I shape it since I applied such a thick layer of the top coat. I just want to make sure it hugs the nail. And now I'm going to go in, top coat the rest of my nails, fully cure this, and then I'm going to show you guys how these came out.